today's lesson is my shadow. Okay, have you seen your shadow? आपने देखी है अपनी शेडो कभी? Yes, black shadow होती है. तो कैसे फॉर्म होती है शेडो? How it is formed? It is formed when you block the light. अगर आप लाइट के सामने आ जाते हो तो सामने जो अपोजिट में दीवार होती है, वॉल होती है, जो सरफेस होता है, उस पर आपकी शेडो बन जाती है. So let's see what we are going to learn in this poem. Observe the shadow of different objects. You can see objects, shadow of different objects like bottle, glass, or whatever, table. Okay, so you observe and tell me how their shadow looks like. Then estimate time through shadow. In olden times, people don't have clocks. So how they come to know the time, what time it is? So what they observe the shadow of them, and then they come to know, they estimate the time, whether it's evening time or morning time or afternoon. Overcoming fears by scientific analysis, because see, there is a science behind making of shadow, है ना. लेकिन कुछ बच्चे डर जाते हैं शेडो से जब छोटे होते हैं ना, लेकिन देयर इज़ अ साइंटिफिक रीज़न बिहाइंड इट. साइंटिफिक रीज़न क्या है कि आप जब लाइट के बीच में आ जाते हो, लाइट ट्रैवल कर रही है, लाइट चल रही है, उसके सामने आ जाते हो तो लाइट रुक जाती है, ठीक है. तो वो पोर्शन अंधेरा हो जाता है, ब्लैक हो जाता है, तो वही आपकी शेडो बन जाती है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द पोएम. माई शेडो. I have a little shadow. First of all, we will recite the poem and then I'll explain it to you. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. One morning, very early, before the sun, I was up. I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepyhead, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. So this poem is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Did you enjoy this poem? Okay, now I'll explain this poem to you. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. My shadow go here and there with me. When I go outside, it comes with me, and when I go inside the house, it comes with me. Okay, so wherever I am traveling, wherever I am going, the shadow is with me. Next line. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. And the child in the poem is not able to understand the use of the shadow. क्या use है shadow का? I only see my shadow. But what is the use of him? उसका use क्या है? He is very, very like me. From the heels up to the head. From the heels means from the foot. आपके foot से head तक बिल्कुल आपकी shadow है, looks like you. Okay, if it's a shadow of a girl, so girl की अगर दो चोटी हैं तो उसकी shadow की भी दो चोटी दिखाई देंगे. If the shadow is of a boy, it looks like him. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Okay, so the child in the poem said, when I about to jump into my bed, जैसे मैं बेड पे जंप करने की कोशिश करता हूँ, उससे पहले मेरी शेडो आ जाती है. ठीक है, बिकॉज लाइट उसके पीछे है बॉय के, ठीक है, तो उसकी शेडो बेड पे पहले बन जाती है और बॉय बेड पे चढ़ नहीं पाता, उससे पहले उसकी शेडो जंप कर जाती है. द फनीएस्ट थिंग अबाउट हिम इज द वे ही लाइक्स टू ग्रो. द फनीएस्ट थिंग, फनीएस्ट मीन्स सबसे मजेदार बात. The funniest thing is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children. Proper children like you. You all are proper children. You are growing on a steady rate. Year by year you are growing. Your height is growing. Okay? But your shadow is not like that. Sometimes it's tall and sometimes it's too small. Okay? It's the shadow is not growing like you. Okay? Your shadow is not growing like in inches. Sometimes suddenly it is long and suddenly it is small. For he sometimes shoot up taller like an India rubber ball. You all play with ball, okay? It's same thing. India rubber ball means simple rubber ball. So when you bounce the ball, it shoots up. Shoots up means it bounces high. जैसे आप फेंकते हो बॉल को तो बॉल एकदम ऊपर चली जाती है ना. इन द सेम वे द शेडो ऑल्सो समटाइम्स इट बिकम लॉन्ग एंड ही समटाइम्स गेट्स सो लिटिल दैट देयर इज नन ऑफ हिम एट ऑल, और समटाइम्स द शेडो बिकम सो स्मॉल दैट आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी इट. बहुत छोटी हो जाती है, दिखाई भी नहीं देती, इतनी छोटी हो जाती है. वन मॉर्निंग वेरी अर्ली बिफोर द सन आई वॉज अप. Before the sunrise, the child in the poem get up. I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. Buttercup is a flower. Okay, so जब dew means होती है ओस की बूंद. जब buttercup जो फ्लावर है उस पे जो ओस की बूंद एकदम एक पर्ल जैसी लगती है, वो देखने के लिए वो उठा था. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head. Errant means bad. बहुत बुरी है shadow. Why he is saying like that? Because the shadow is very lazy. Sleepy head means always he gets up late. Okay. Why he is saying so? Because the sun is not up. There is no light. There is no sun. Means there is no light. And if there is no light, then shadow can't be formed. So the shadow is not there. So he is saying that मेरी shadow तो अभी तक सो रही है, sleepy head है. Had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. So the child is saying the shadow is not with me. वो मेरी तरह उठी नहीं है जल्दी और अभी तक बेड पे सो रही होगी. Okay, but scientifically क्या है? Because there is no light, that's why the shadow is not formed. वो shadow बनी नहीं है light के बिना. Okay, so let's come to the new words. India rubber ball means a ball that can bounce very high. Okay, so it's very easy for you to understand because you all play with balls. Then buttercup, a yellow flower. Okay, it's a yellow flower. Its name is buttercup. Then errant means bad. Okay, let's do question answers now. First of all, let's read this first question. Who do you think your shadow looks like? What do you think? Your shadow looks like? Your shadow looks like you. My shadow looks like me. Okay, some other child shadow looks like him or her. Okay, so all the shadows looks like. So what about you? Your shadow looks like you. आपकी shadow आपके जैसी दिखेगी. So you write here my shadow because the question is they are asking about you. So you should write here my shadow looks like me. Understood? Then next question. Why do you think your shadow jumps into bed before you can? Why your shadow jumps before you? Because in the question, if in the question. If the question starts with why, that means you have to use because in your answer. So you will write like this: I think my shadow jumps into bed before me because light sources behind me. Because light source is behind me. Okay, next question. What time of the day do you think it is when your shadow is the tallest? Morning, afternoon, night. 3 options are given to you. At what time your shadow is the tallest? So in this question, it's better if you observe on your own and write the answer. Okay, so I'm leaving this question for you. I'm not going to write it. You should observe at what time your shadow is the tallest. Okay. Then next question, read the lines from the poem and answer the following questions. These 2 lines are given from the poem. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head. Now the question is, who does he refer to? So he refers to the child. Refers means किसके बारे में बात हो रही, he किसके लिए यूज हुआ है. So he refers to the child. Okay, the child in the poem. जो poem में child है उसके बारे में बात हो रही है. Next question, who does me refer to? Me किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? Me कौन है? Me is the child's shadow. Child's shadow. Why are he and me alike? Alike means same to same. Why he means child and me means shadow. Child and child's shadow, why they are similar? They are similar. He and me are alike because he and me are alike because it is the shadow of the child. It is the shadow of the child. Your shadow looks like you, my shadow looks like me, and the child's shadow